Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new walking desk, King Smith electric standing desk. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. So right out of the box, everything is neatly organized and labeled, which made the process so much easier. The instructions are clear and all the tools you need are included, so you don't need to grab anything extra. I did end up using my electric screwdriver just to speed up the process a little bit. This is a height adjustable desk with an industrial grade carbon steel frame, which makes it super sturdy to be able to handle up to 176 pounds. Perfect if you're working with several monitors or just heavy equipment in general. The desk also has a built-in electric motor for smooth height adjustments. It is quiet too, you'll hear it a little later. Less than 50 decibels while running, so it won't disrupt calls or any of your workflow. And with a lifting speed of up to 20 millimeters per second, switching between sitting and standing will only take a few quick seconds. One feature I really love is the customizable height presets. You can save up to 4 of your favorite settings so you don't have to manually adjust it every time when you use your desk. It's all about convenience and making sure your setup works for you. The desk is also designed with storage in mind. It comes with 2 fabric drawers that are lightweight but roomy, perfect for keeping your workspace nice and clean. There's also an anti-fall fence along the edges of the desktop. Now that the desk is fully set up, let's take a closer look and see what makes it really cool. First off, the design. It's sleek, modern, and perfect for any home office. The carbon steel frame gives it a solid, durable feel, so you know it's built to last even with daily use. One of the coolest features is the electric lift system. It moves smoothly between lifting and standing heights with just the press of a button. I love how quiet the motor is, so you can adjust it without disturbing anyone else in the house. And the height presets are a game changer. You can set it to exactly how you like and switch instantly between saved positions. Now for the workspace itself, the desktop is spacious but compact enough to fit into smaller rooms. The anti-fall fence around the edges is a thoughtful touch. It keeps your items secure so you don't have to worry about things sliding off when you're adjusting the height. The storage options are also impressive. The fabric drawers are lightweight but keep enough to hold everything off from office supplies to personal items. And the extra hook for the headphones and other accessories helps keep everything organized and within reach. The desk really helps keep everything and clutter under control. And here's how the desk looks like with a real work from home setup. I've got my Mac Mini, my monitor, and a few office essentials set up, and everything just fit perfectly. As you can see, I already put my headphones on one of the hooks. You have the exact same hook on the other side. Threw some pens on there and still nothing on these hooks. I also was able to fit a couple books on this first drawer. So as you can see, you're actually able to fit quite a bit in there. And then I'll show you on this other one, I'm also able to put in my iPad and hard drive as well. The desk isn't just for work though. It's perfect for hobbies, gaming, or even as a crafting station. The adjustable height makes it flexible enough for any activity, and the built-in storage keeps everything tidy no matter how you're using it. All right guys, so that's how I set mine up. You got plenty of storage right here. It's got little pull-out bins as well. Put some books in this one, and hard drive in my iPad on that one. Overall, I do like the way it looks. You still have plenty of space to put other items over here. So if you have like a bigger gaming setup or something like that, you still have a lot more space to work with. Let's go ahead and raise it all the way up just to see how high it goes. And you'll notice it's not loud at all. 46.5 is the highest it'll go to, and as you can see, it got there pretty quickly. So if you like to work standing up, or you have like a walking pad or something like that, you're able to easily put it down here and still work comfortably from right up here. And if you have a chair, I'll go ahead and put it all the way down. Or probably not all the way down, but just probably a little short of that. You're able to set 4 presets right on here. I do like that you can adjust it because I have a pretty big chair. Let's put it like about there. And that'll slide right in right there. Perfect. So if you guys are looking for a new sturdy electric standing desk, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.